Hi and welcome to your next car on the walk around video for the 218D M Sport Coupe in mineral grey. Alongside that, of course, it features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. We've had the 18-inch alloy wheels fully refurbished in gloss black. The car itself is a 2016 16 plate, has the angel eye xenon headlamps up front as a very nice optional extra. Down the side of the car you can see there it's a clean and tidy example, has our satin side vinyls, YNC Mperformance decals, and also has the very nice sun protection glazing on the rear windows. The interior for the car, we've also got black DakotaLeather in the inside, and as you can see comes with the electric lumbar option. It's a 6-speed manual. All of the interior is very nice and clean and tidy, and we shall of course explore more of the interior details shortly. Isofix 2x2 arrangement, storage tray, black darkened M Sport headline, and of course again showing you off those very nicely fresh refurbished alloy wheels. At the back it comes with the M rear spoiler, has rear parking sensors and a very ample sized boot, as you can see there, and we've also got split folding seats for those longer, larger items. Around at the driver's side once more you can see how well the mineral grey works with all of the additions we've made alongside the striking alloy wheels. Going on, taking a seat inside the interior of the 2 Series, I'll run yourself through a couple of the interior features, beginning with the BMW business navigation and media screen, also starting the car up. So in terms of your nav, there you can see there, we've also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio, DAB radio, and also got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX inputs. Just 1 second, we'll check out the service requirements for the car. 6-speed manual, did of course mention that. It's also got the speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on the multifunction and sports steering wheel. It's covered just over 47,000 miles, and hopefully you've seen throughout this walk around that it is in really great condition. Currently we've got a real wide array of the 2 Series range here at Your Next Car, and they're always very well sought after in any of the variant. The next service for this car is due in 18,000 miles time, and up at service history you can see we've got 3 recorded services from BMW. The last one was at 4625, so very recently. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch our walk around video. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. Of course, if you did want to get in touch, you can of course find all of the contact information along with other links to our website, which you'll find that in the description. Once more, thank you. Do of course take care. We'll look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.